Bismillah Rahman Rahim. My name is Sarosh and I am a foundation level student at Rehan School. So today I am doing my fourth TEDx talk and my topic is Never Give Up on Your Dreams. And the speaker name is Imran Khan. So let's start it. Today I am going to review a very inspiring TEDx talk called Never Give Up on Your Dreams. This talk gives a powerful message about hope, struggle, patience, and believing in yourself even when life becomes difficult. Let me ask you something that how you ever started a dream but stopped because things become hard? Have you ever felt tired of everything again and again? If yes, then this talk is truly for you. In this video, I will share that the main message of the talk, important lesson, but inspired me personally, how we can apply these ideas in our daily life. So let's begin this inspiring journey together. So first we talk about the speaker. Imran Khan shares his history in a very honest and emotional way. He talks about challenges, failures, and moments when giving up felt easy. But what I like most about his style is simplicity. He uses easy language and real examples from life. You feel that he understands struggles because he has experienced them himself. Instead of giving motivational quotes only, he shares real lessons learned through experience that make the talk powerful and relatable. The main message of the talk, the main message is simple. Dreams are important and struggles are normal. Giving up should never be an opinion. Imran Khan explains that success is not a straight path. There are failure, delays, disappointments, and doubts, but every successful person continues moving forward despite obstacles. Dreams require patience, hard work, and story and strong belief. So the first lesson I learned from this talk is that failure is a part of success. One powerful lesson from the talk is about failure. Many people think failure means the end, but Imran Khan explained that failure is actually a teacher. Every mistake teaches something new. He reminds us that even successful people failed many times before achieving success. This part made me realizing that failure is not something to fear. Failure means we are learning and growing. Instead of quieting, we should ask that what can I learn from this experience? So the second lesson I learned from this talk is that never give up. The strongest message of the talk is persistence, that dreams take time, sometimes results come late, sometimes people criticize or doubt us, but quieting guarantee failures. Continuing gives hopes for success. Imran Khan emphasizes consistency, small daily efforts eventually create big achievements. This lesson encourages us to stay strong during difficult times. The third lesson I learned from this talk is that belief in yourself. Self belief plays a major role in achieving dreams. If we don't believe in ourselves, nobody else will. Imran Khan explained that confidence grows with action. You don't wait to feel confident. You become confident by trying. He encourages people to trust their abilities even when others doubt them. Listening to this reminded me that self belief is the foundation of success. The emotional impact of the talk is that this TEDx talk is emotional because it talks about real struggles. Everyone experiences moments of doubt. Sometimes we compare ourselves with others and feel behind, but the speaker reminds us that every journey is different. Success does not happen overnight. The emotional honesty of the talk makes it inspiring and motivating. It gives hope to people who feel stuck in life. The next part, I share my personal reflection after reviewing this talk is that after watching this talk, I reflected on my own life. I asked myself that did I ever give up too early? Did I fear stop my from did fear stop me from chasing my dreams? And did I doubt my own abilities? I realized that sometimes we quit just before success arrives. This talk encouraged me to stay consistent, work on my goals daily, be patient with progress, and believe in my journey. Even small steps every day can bring big challenge and a big change in our life. So the next part is that how we can apply these lessons in our daily life. Here are practical lessons we can apply. Number one is that set clear goals. Number two is that work daily towards dream. Number three is that accept failure as learning. Number four is that ignore negative opinions. And number five is that stay patient and focused. Dreams become reality through disciplines and persistence. The next part of the talk is that impact on society. If more people follow this mindset, then student will stay motivated, young people will explore talents, creativity will increase, society will become more confident and productive. Motivational talks like motivational talks like this help build strong individuals and strong communities. The next I will give you the overall review of the talk is that my overall review of this talk, TEDx talk, is that this is inspiring, easy to understand, emotional and motivating, and practical for every day and every life. This message is clear that never stop believing and never stop trying and never give up on your dreams. So in last some minutes, I will conclude my TEDx talks in some words that dreams are not achieved by luck. They are achieved by patience, courage, and persistence. Imran Khan's message reminds us that success belongs to those who continue even when life becomes difficult. So keep moving forward because every dream deserves a chance, and dreams only work when we refuse to give up on them. And this TEDx talk reminds us that success comes to those. This TEDx talk reminds us that. So sorry, viewers, I have an internet issue. So let's restart. This TEDx talk reminds us that success comes to those who stay patient and keep trying no matter how hard the journey becomes. Always believe in yourself and keep moving forward. And sometimes one small decisions become the turning point of our whole life. Believe in your is your in your is your choice. Trust your journey and keep moving forward without fear. Life changes when we stop doubting ourselves and start taking action. Make decisions that your future self will thank you for. And viewers, don't wait for perfect timing. Your decision today that today you can create tomorrow's success. Your decision today can create tomorrow's success. Be brave enough to choose growth over comfort. Life rewards those who dare to decide. Don't be afraid of change. Sometimes change is exactly what we need to grow. So let me end this talk review. I hope you will like it. Pakistan Zindabad, Khuda Hafiz.